Have you ever considered adding collagen powder to your supplements and making it a part of your daily routine? My name is Fumiko, and I'm the founder of the Face Yoga Method. And in this video, I want to share exactly what collagen powder is, how it works, and why I personally use it, and I think it's amazing. If you want to know the science behind collagen powder, then you are in the right place. Let's begin. What is collagen? Collagen is a protein, essential part of our bones, tendons, joints, nails, and hair. Collagen makes up to 70% of the skin structure. Collagen is in your bones, muscles, and blood vessels. It is already produced by the human body and is the glue that keeps your body together. This is what keeps your skin plump and prevents fine lines and wrinkles as you age. However, your skin existing collagen breaks down and it gets harder for your body to produce more. In fact, you lose about 1% in our 20s and as much as 30% when you begin menopause. I'm over 50, so you can tell what's happening in my body and skin. Your skin may start to sag, wrinkle, and look drier. Your skin might look thinner and become more fragile. So, is it really possible to replace this collagen loss with supplements like collagen powder? The answer is yes! Preventing collagen loss can be simple with the right supplements. You can restore this essential protein in your body and protect your skin's integrity and longevity. Here's how it works. To produce collagen in your body needs these essential vitamins and minerals: proline, glycine, vitamin C, zinc, and copper. You can get proline from egg whites, cabbage, dairy, asparagus, and mushrooms. Glycine is found in chicken skin, pork skin, gelatin, and other protein-rich food. Citrus fruits and bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, and zinc is found in beef, pork, lamb, shellfish, chickpeas, beans, milk, cheese, lentils, and various nuts and seeds. Copper is found in cocoa powder, cashews, sesame seeds, lentils, and organ meats. Yes, you can get all these essential collagen production vitamins and minerals in food. But since these nutrients can be hard to get without a well-balanced diet, collagen supplement comes very handy. Before we go any further, I want to thank you for watching this video. Face Yoga Method is all about creating amazing transformations that turn back the clock and give you a beautiful, youthful looking face that glows with confidence. If you want to join me for more face yoga poses, tips, exercises, and pro-aging secrets, then please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share these videos with any friends that you think would love them. It really does help grow our channel and spread the wonderful practice of face yoga. Now, let's go back to the video. On top of the great benefits of collagen powder for skin, choosing a powder with extra full body and skin support can really pay off. Our collagen super powder also includes all natural ingredients like white mulberry leaf powder, apple peel, maca powder, ginger root, Ceylon cinnamon, cardamom, and clove powder. And the vitamins including calcium, iron, and magnesium. These antioxidant-rich plants and skin-loving spices are anti-inflammatory, reduce hyperpigmentation, protect skin from UV damage, and are great for digestive health and hormone balance. It took me more than 2 years to create our collagen super powder, to make it to the level that I feel confident to share it with you. Not just for its health benefits, but also for its flavor. And very interestingly, during this process, my fingernails got so much longer and stronger than ever, together with the more glow on my face and hair. If you're ready to reveal smoother, clear skin, check out my free collagen super powder recipe book in the link below. I've combined some of my best kept recipes, which are the secrets behind glowing skin, energy, and the strong body. Full of antioxidants, vitamins, spices, and proteins your skin, hair, nails, and the body crave. Click the link in the description to receive these recipes for free.